How to manage email notifications on Twitch. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage email notifications on Twitch. First thing, go to Twitch and now go click on your profile here and then click this one, account settings, and now click notifications and then click this one on by email, and you can manage here anything you want, and you can turn it off or on. And if you want to turn off all email notification, just click this one here, and if you want to turn it on again, just click here. And as you see, that's how manage email notifications on Twitch. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.